Hey guys, you're welcome. Let's make vanilla and strawberry cake. You're welcome to Progressive Recipes. In this channel, we cook, we bake. We have a lot of simple recipes I know you can try in your house, and I promise you, you will get it 100%. Yeah, so feel free to be a part, and God bless you. Okay, right away, we'll start by measuring out our ingredients. The first thing I'll be measuring is butter. Yes. Here in the UK, I store my butter in the fridge. So I'll be microwaving it a little bit to make it softer. Yeah, you can see it's as if it's a running oil. Yeah, so don't worry, everything is okay. So I'll pour in my sugar and I'll be adding my oil. Yeah, if your butter is soft, please, you don't need to microwave it. I did it because my butter came out from the fridge. Yes. So this is the measurement of the oil I'll be using. I'll pour right inside, stir together, and I will put in my standing mixer to start mixing. Please, if you don't have a standing mixer, you don't have to worry. You can use your spatula, wooden stick to mix this, to like cream it. It will still come out beautiful. Yes. So the next thing is to start measuring my eggs. So please, here in the UK, I've not seen, it's been up to 2 years and I've been here, I've not seen a bad egg before. Please, if you're in Nigeria, in a country where there is hot weather, please use a little plate and crack your egg one after the other. Check before you pour to the main one, before you will spoil the whole thing. Please, I know what I'm saying. So measuring the eggs also. If you've been looking for a very comfortable recipe for your cake, this is the best ever. Yes, if you check this channel, you will notice I have a lot of recipes, but you can see this particular one is number one. Yeah, I keep repeating it because it's very soft. It makes you come out with a fluffy cake. I know what I'm saying. This is for the liquid milk, the measurement we'll be using. So feel free to write out this measurement so that you don't make any mistake. If you want a smaller cake, please, you divide. Very, very important. Don't forget that. Please, you can't be a good baker without having a scale. You can be a good baker without having measuring spoons and cups. Very important. I miss adding this baking powder with my camera. I didn't record it, so that's why I'm showing you the quantity I used. 2 tablespoons, please, leveled spoon. Yes, so when you can see the batter is looking good and nice, right away I'll pour in my eggs. Yes, this batter is going to be giving us vanilla cake and strawberry cake. So when I'm okay with the batter, I'll remove it and I will start mixing in my flour and milk. So this is the way I prepare my pan before I put the batter. Yeah, use a little butter and grease your pan, and you dust with a little flour. That's all. Very simple and easy. Yes, but if you won't want to do this, you can use your baking sheet and place on the pan. It is still okay, but this has been my best and I prefer it more than every other method. So when I'm done mixing, and I will start incorporating the next ingredient, is the flour. In the flour, I have my baking powder inside and the milk. That is all I'll be adding first. Yes, please, it's very important you sieve your flour. You can sieve 2 times, 3 times. Yeah, yes, here in the UK it's not necessary to you, but I'm not sieving because of date. In Nigeria, I sieve because of date, and I also sieve because of incorporating egg to the flour. But here in the UK, I'm not sieving because of date. If you can see, there is nothing in my sieve, but I'm sieving just to incorporate more air to my flour. So right away I'll start mixing a little of my milk, a little of my flour, everything I mix. That's the way I'm going to be mixing till when I'm done. Can you see how beautiful this cake batter is looking here? This is the burst this recipe is going to be giving you. So right away I'll divide. I'll be using this for strawberry, the main one for my vanilla. Yes, one thing you need to know about flavor is that we have industrial flavor and we have normal flavor. So this one I'm using like industrial flavor. That is why I'm adding a little bit. Yeah, for this I'm adding a little bit. But if you're using normal regular flavor, please add more than what you're seeing in this video. Yes, add more. So to flavor, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, let me just tell you, for this vanilla I'm adding 1 tablespoon. That's what you see I'm measuring to is half tablespoon. I can't find my 1 tablespoon, so half tablespoons. I did 2, so to give you 1 tablespoon. So please, if you're using normal regular flavor, do like 2 tablespoons. You heard me here, to give you a good taste. That is it. So I added a little bit of color, yeah, food color, red color, to give me that beautiful shining strawberry color I'm looking for. So I'm pouring out my batter. After pouring it, I will tap. Before I start mixing, don't forget, note this, that I've already started preheating my oven before now, to make sure the oven is ready for this batter, cake batter, to go in. So after pouring it, I tap on the table a little bit and I put straight into my oven to bake. So before 25-30 minutes, these cakes are ready, because you can see my pan is very flat and the batter is small. So look at the outcome. Isn't this beautiful? And don't forget, this cake was so soft and fluffy. After baking your cake, when you can feel and touch your cake, please feel free to wrap it up with cling film. Very, very important too, so that it will not dry off. It will retain its moisture and soft nature. Yeah, let me show you how this cake looks like. See, we're going to cut out from this one because we'll start eating from there. Look at that. This is a milky, lovely. Thanks a million for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.